This video explains how to add a revision plan to a clearance and how to revise a clearance to add a revision plan. You use clearances to establish safe boundaries for maintenance activities. Revision plans help to optimize the effectiveness of the clearance management process. By using revision plans, you can configure clearance components and work order relationships for future adoption as a clearance revision. Create a work order that requires clearance protection and save the record. To add a revision plan to a clearance, create a clearance and save the record. From the Revision Plans tab, click New Row and save the record. To add tags to a revision plan, click New Row in the Tags for Revision Plan table. Select a location or an asset tag. Specify the application position and the restoration position and save the record. To associate a work order with a revision plan, select the work order from the Related Work Orders table and save the record. The tags, the revision plan, and the related work order display in the tables. To revise a clearance to add a revision plan, open an existing clearance and select Revise Clearance from the More Actions menu. In the Revise Clearance dialog, click Yes to use the revision plan, select the revision plan, and click OK. A message displays warning you about clearance revisions. Click OK or Cancel. Refer to Knowledge Center for details on clearances and revision plans.